Today I am sharing my sandwich bento from some time ago. There are 4 types of delicious sandwiches. Please check it out. First, I'm gonna slice the cucumber. Dry it with paper towel. Drain the oil from the canned tuna. Mix it with Japanese mustard and mayonnaise. Mix well. Next, let's bake the sausage for mini hot dog. For the egg sandwich, please make 1 boiled egg. Crush the egg with a fork and let it cool completely. I put it in the fridge. While cooling the egg, let's finish making tuna sandwich and hot dog. Make a cut in the bread and put cucumber slices. Put tuna as much as you want. Put lettuce as you like, then put sausage. I put ketchup and mustard when dishing up. When the eggs have cooled enough, mix it with salt and pepper and mayonnaise. Put it in the bread. First, I'm gonna make ham and egg. Prepare a small bowl. Stack the ends of the ham and put 1 ham in the bowl. Crack the egg into the bowl. Use a fork to make a hole in the yolk so that it won't explode in the microwave. Sprinkle salt and pepper. Cover with another piece of ham. Put the plastic wrap and microwave it at 500 watt for 1.5 minutes. Let it cool completely. While cooling the egg, let's prepare other ingredients. Slice the avocado and tomato. Now I am making sandwich. Apply butter on 1 bread. And mayonnaise on the other. Put lettuce, sliced tomato, sprinkle salt and pepper, avocado, cheese, and ham and egg. Cover with another piece of bread. Cover the whole with plastic wrap and let it rest for a while. Cut in the middle with plastic wrap. First, I'm gonna shred cucumber, carrot, and purple cabbage. For the carrot, sprinkle salt and pepper and mix well. For the purple cabbage, do the same thing. Next, I make thick sliced tomato. This sandwich will contain a lot of vegetable and this tomato is the key material. You can taste so juicy tomato. Because I want to add a little protein, I will make thin omelette. Add a little sugar into the beaten egg. Bake the bacon too. Apply butter on one bread and mayonnaise on the other. Put carrot and a little mayonnaise between vegetables. And put cucumber, sliced tomato, purple cabbage, egg, bacon, and lettuce. Cover with another piece of bread. Cover the whole with plastic wrap and let it rest for a while. Cut in the middle with plastic wrap. Let's prepare all the ingredients before rolling the sandwich. Shred the carrot and cucumber. Sprinkle salt and pepper on carrot and mix well. Slice the avocado. Make egg with mayonnaise sauce. This is the same recipe I mentioned earlier. Bake the bacon. Now I am making 5 different types of sandwich rolls. Apply mayonnaise on the bread and put carrot, cucumber, and ham. Roll and wrap in the plastic wrap. Twist the excess part of the plastic wrap too. Apply mayonnaise on the bread and put bacon and avocado. And put ham and cut cheese. Apply butter on the bread and put lettuce leaf and egg. Apply cream cheese on the bread and put blueberry jam. Let it rest for a while so that the shape will be stable. Now let's cut everything.